In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Black Ops Cold War error, stuck at fetching account data from platform. If you're stuck on this screen and can't get into the game, don't worry. There are a few simple things you can try. Let's jump right in. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or spotty connection can cause issues with loading your account data. Try restarting your router, just in case. Next, check if the game servers are down. Sometimes, the problem isn't on your end. Go to the official Activision or Call of Duty social media pages and see if they've posted any service alerts. If everything looks good, try signing out of your console profile completely. That means logging out of PlayStation Network or Xbox Live, then sign back in and restart the game. You can also try clearing the game cache. On PS5 or Xbox Series X, power off the console completely, unplug it for a minute, then plug it back in and restart the game. If you're playing on PC, try running the game as an administrator or verify the game files through battle.net or Steam. Lastly, if all else fails, wait a little while and try again later. Sometimes server issues just need time to resolve. If this helped you out, hit like and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes. See you next time.